Good morning, students. Let us see the electronic configuration of the atoms. So 1 to 30 elements. Let us see first of all 1 to 30 elements of electronic configuration. So for hydrogen we are having the electronic configuration 1s1. Why? Because its atomic number is 1. Okay. And coming to here 2, helium we are having the atomic number is 1s2. And third atomic number is lithium. For lithium we are having how much? 1s2, 2s1. And fourth one for boron, beryllium, we are having 1s2, 2s2. And fifth one we are having boron, we are having atomic number 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. And sixth one we are having carbon, the valence is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. And seventh one we are having nitrogen. So for nitrogen we are having atomic number 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. For oxygen we are having 8 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. And ninth one we are having fluorine, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. And 10th one we are having neon, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, which is an octet configuration. So if you have observed here, S block consists of 2 electrons and P contains 3 orbitals, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And coming to D block we are having 10 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So coming to F block, how much it is containing? Total 7 electrons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14. So 14 electrons. So here, and 11th one, what we are getting here, 11th, what is the 11th one? Sodium. So sodium means what here? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Coming to 12th one, magnesium. So for magnesium you are getting 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. And 13th element is here aluminium. For aluminium the electronic configuration is what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. If you have observed, 10 plus 3, 13. And 14th element is what here? Silicon. So what is the silicon electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. And 15th element is phosphorus. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. And 16th element is what? Sulfur. So for sulfur, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Coming to 17th element is chlorine. So for chlorine we are having 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. And next one we are having argon. So argon is having what here? This is Mg, this is Al, S, P, S, Cl, Ar. These are the symbols of this. You are having 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. If you have observed, whenever the noble gas elements means inert gas elements we are getting, so here the octet configuration we are getting. And coming to next one, what we are having, 19th one. What is the 19th one? Potassium. The symbol is K. So you are having electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1. And coming to here, see 10 plus 19. 20 is nothing but here calcium. So calcium is having atomic number how much? According to Moseley's, we are getting the periodic table. How we are getting periodic table? So how to write the according to Manley periodic table? We have to write the electronic configuration is 4s2, 4p6. After that, we are getting the 3d10. Yes or no? So now if you have observed here potassium, so generally the potassium electronic configuration is what here? What is the potassium electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then we have to get 4s1. Like that we have to write. So this is wrong. According to Moseley's, we have to write 4s1. Manley periodic table. According to modern periodic table, we are getting the electronic configuration like this. So after this one only we are going to get the electronic configuration is 3D. Have you seen the modern periodic table, Manley periodic table? So and the calcium Ca, you are having atomic number 20. So it is getting 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. Okay, so these are the electronic configurations of the 1 to 20 elements. Now coming to scandium. For scandium, atomic number is 21. So we can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Here this is a D block element. So we are going to write 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. So or we can write inert gas elements like argon, 3d1, 4s2. So argon contents means what is the argon atomic number? As we have seen, 18. Okay, so this is the 18. So we can simply mention these 18. For these 18 elements we can write it as argon. And next one is titanium. The atomic number is 22. The symbol is Ti. So we can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. Or we can write argon, 3d2, 4s2. 18 plus 4, 22. 18 plus 3, 21. In the same way, vanadium. So vanadium atomic number is 23, that is having V. So we have to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. Or we can write what here? Argon 18 plus 3d3, 4s2. And next one we are having chromium. Clearly observe here, for chromium atomic number is 24. The symbol is Ca. So we are writing the configuration is here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Here 4s2, 4s1, 3d5. So generally what is the configuration we have to get? 4s2 3d4 here we have to get. But if you have observed, I have written here 4s1 and 3d5. So why I have written, if you write 4s2 3d4, what it will be happening is this is the configuration wrong. Why? Because here we are getting 4s1 3d5. So this is a half filled element. If you have clearly observed, when you write d block elements like this, d orbitals, so 1 2 3 4 5, so this is a half filled, so this will be getting extra stability nature. So because of this reason we are writing here chromium as a 4s1 and 3d5. So you are getting argon 3d5 4s1. So next coming to iron, the symbol is Fe, the atomic number is manganese Mn, we are having atomic number 25. So we can write similarly 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d5 we can write here. So if you have observed here, this is a 25 atomic number. So it is clear, but only for chromium and copper only we are going to write like this. Remaining all we are going to get like this only. Argon 3d5 4s2. Next one we are having iron. The symbol is Fe. It is having atomic number 26. The electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d6, or we can write what here, argon 3d6 4s2, and this either you can write this one, either you can write this one. And coming to next one, cobalt. Cobalt is having atomic number CO 27, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d7, or you can write here argon 3d7 4s2. So still we are having nickel, copper and zinc. For nickel, C for nickel, the symbol is Ni, having atomic number 28, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d8. So you are getting, or we can write argon 4s2 3d8. And for copper and chromium is same. So it is symbol is Cu. It is having atomic number 29, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1 3d10. So we are getting here argon 4s1 3d10. For chromium and copper is the reason is same. Why? Because it is half filled element, it is completely filled element. So because of this reason, these both will say extra stability. That's why we are getting configuration this one. And lastly we are having zinc, that is Zn. It is having atomic number 30. So you have to write configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d10. So here we are going to get here argon 4s2 3d10. So these are the 1 to 30 elements of the atomic numbers with their symbols and electronic configuration. Tomorrow I will be explaining you about ionization energy, electron affinity, everything. Thank you.